How to log out Insta from all devices. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can log out Insta account from all the devices that you have logged in. Now, to do so, first open up the app and tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of your screen, and once here tap on the three horizontal lines icon on the top right corner of your screen and head into settings and privacy. Now here, simply head into Account Center. If you don't find this option, then you'll always find the option Security. Now you can simply search for Security here and it'll open up Password and Security. Now tap on it, and here if you scroll down here, you under Password and Security, you can see the option where you are logged in. Tap on it, and here if you tap on your profile or your account username and profile here, you'll be able to see all the devices that you have logged in. Now since I'm not logged into any other account right now, I just logged out of all devices. If you have logged into multiple devices, you'll find it right here, and what you want to do is you'll get the option select all devices, and then simply tap on select all devices, and once you do this, your logout option will be enabled, and tap on logout right here. You can see at the bottom of the screen it's not enabled because I haven't selected any devices. I don't have any right now. So you select them and then you tap on logout and it'll log you out of all of the devices. So this way you can log out Insta from all devices. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.